Welcome to the InspIRCd Quality Assurance website.
Thank you. Here we'll see username and password. We'll enter Bricker, and my password's already saved. Then we're sent to the introduction, as well as news items. News items can only be added or deleted by administrators. We'll add a test news item right now. Submit, and there we are. If you want to remove a news item, all you have to click is this button, and it's gone. We'll go to QA items now. QA items will be either new features or bugs that only administrators can add or delete. Here's one for new members to check out. On this website, you will be able to see the score, the title, the bug ID, the status, the type, the category, and the version. The type would either be bug or feature, the category would be core, installation, or module, and the version would be serve and stable, serve and trunk, or Windows build. The author is me, or it will be whoever authored the test. And here is where new people can add comments to the test. From the score, you can add 0 for untested, 1 for quick test, 2 for tested, or 3 for tested extensively. If we click tested extensively and click update, you can see that the color change is progressive. It starts out from dark red and it goes all the way to blue. We'll add one more test to show it going to blue. And there we go. Here you can see privacy. Now this will only be enabled for administrators, and privacy will allow you to choose the QA item to either be public, private, which is QA only, or archived, meaning it's a hidden QA item that nobody but QA and administrators can see. The reason for this is that we may have to test a bug or a new feature that could cause a crash in the InspIRCd system. Here we're going to show you how to add an item. As you see, it says bug ID, title, starting score, expected score, type, category, version, and then a description. You can see that the title is defaulted as untitled, and there's a description. The reason the title is defaulted to untitled is so that if you forget to add one, we can still edit the bug. So there's going to be no bug ID. We'll change title to this is a test. The starting score would normally be 0 unless you've already tested the feature somewhat. So we'll leave it at 0. The expected score is basically how much you want the bug item to be tested. If it's just a brief small feature, you leave it around 7. If it's a huge feature or huge bug that needs to be thoroughly tested, we'll leave it to 50. We're going to change this one to about 10. The type can either be bug or feature, as I stated before. It will mark it a feature. The category, as before, will be core, installation, or module. We'll make it a module. And the version either serve and stable, serve and trunk, or Windows build. We'll go to serve and stable. We'll add a description. This is a description. Whoops. For the description, we ask you to please make sure that you give detail as to the bug or the feature, reproduction steps, etc., etc. Also, for any administrators adding new features, please make sure that you add expected behavior for new items. So we'll click post, and here it is, dark red, 0 out of 10. If we click that and give it a score of 3, it will update to orange. Now we'll go to reports. Reports is going to be for mostly administrator use to show how many bugs were tested to 100%, over 100%, etc., etc. Preferences. On the preferences page, you can change your email or your password. Administration, which of course is only to admins, will show a list of usernames, emails, and types, whether they be administrators, QA member, or guest. See down here you can create a new account. We'll add another account right now, test. Email being test@test.com, and password will be temp. Add user? No. And there it is. If we want to change test group, we would click his name, test, either choose guest, QA, or admin. We'll make him an admin, and update. If we want to delete that user, we just find his name, click it, delete user, and done. Archived will be for bugs that are hidden, as we stated before. Archived is not to be released to the public. So if you are on a quality assurance team, please do not release any information from archived bugs to the public until the items have been fixed. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.